Welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. Thank you guys for joining me in today's video. I'll be showing you how to make jambalaya. This easy jambalaya is a one-pot recipe made with sausage, shrimp and chicken, and it's quite delicious, and I want you to stay tuned and see how we make this. So we're going to start by chopping up some veggies for this jambalaya recipe. So I've got my bell peppers, celery, onion, red bell peppers, and also garlic. And for my tomatoes, it has already been chopped up, so let's just go ahead and dress all the veggies and set them aside. After chopping all the veggies, I'm just going to set them aside and we move to the next step. And I'm using some smoked sausages here. Next, you want to go ahead and season your chicken pieces. So I'm going to season these with cayenne pepper, just because you don't want it to come out really bland and chicken stock cube. And also with a little bit of salt. I'm going to list down the quantity of ingredients that I'm using for this jambalaya recipe in the description box below. Now let's mix this up with a spoon and leave to rest until we need it. And we are going to start making our jambalaya in a proper way. Place a medium pot on the stove top, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once the oil is heated, go in with the sliced sausages. You want to cook your sausage on one side for 1 minute and then turn over to the other side and cook for another 1 minute until they are all brown. You will want to use some smoked sausages in this jambalaya recipe because of the rich aroma it adds to your rice dish. We are going to go in with the seasoned chicken pieces. You want to make sure you stir and cook the chicken together with the sausage for about 5 to 6 minutes. After that, you will notice the chicken is slightly brown, so you can take this out of the pot. You can add a little more oil to the pot if needed, and then add your chopped onions together with the wonderful drippings. You want to make sure you saute the onion for about 2 minutes. After that, go in with your celery and the bell peppers. Stir this and cook for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes of cooking your veggies, they should be soft. You can now go in with your minced garlic. Stir and cook for about 30 seconds or until fragrant. After that, add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. You want to make sure you cook this together with the veggies to get rid of the sour taste of the tomato. I've cooked this for about 2 minutes. Next, I'll go in with my diced tomatoes. And I've cooked this for an extra 2 minutes. Next, we are going to return the cooked meat back into the pot. And just before we stir this, we're going to go ahead and season this with thyme, Creole seasoning, oregano, smoked paprika, Cayenne pepper, salt, black pepper. Once you've added all of this, you can stir everything together to combine beautifully. Once you've stirred everything together, you can now add in 4 cups of chicken broth. Still stir this to deglaze the pan and let everything mix nicely. You can now add in 2 bay leaves. It's now time to bring in our rinsed rice. So I'm using 2.5 cups of basmati rice here. You can use Jasmine rice or any long grain rice. So I have rinsed my rice thoroughly and I'm just adding this into the pot. So you have to gently stir this again. Let the rice mix with the rest of the ingredients. You can also add in 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce and then stir it together with the rice and let everything combine nicely. And the final thing we are going to add to our jambalaya is our shrimp. So I have washed, deveined, and then peeled the shrimp. So I'm just going to arrange it on the surface of the rice. Just before you add your shrimp, you should make sure you test these for salt and pepper. You can adjust any other seasoning to your taste. Now we are going to place a lid and cover and let this cook on low heat for 30 minutes until the water dries up and the rice is soft as well. So guys, this is just after 30 minutes, so we have to come back to our jambalaya. Check the rice for doneness. Obviously the liquid in it is dried up. I'm just going to fluff the rice a little bit. Okay, this smells really amazing. It's so rich. I really love this jambalaya recipe. It's loaded with lots of meat and vegetables. So I'm just going to turn off my heat and our jambalaya is ready. So guys, this was how to make a yummy jambalaya at home. This easy jambalaya recipe is filled with lots of flavor and is really satisfying. I hope you try it out. Let me know what you think about it in the comment section below. You can like the video and share with friends. And also please subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already and click on the bell button so you don't miss any video. Until next time guys, I'd love to see you soon. Bye.